There is nothing better than a fresh slice of piping hot pizza that is oozing with tomato sauce, has delicious toppings, and lots of cheese. When it comes to choosing the best pizza chains in America, the answer is not always an easy one. We spent a lot of time considering all the different pizza chains to select our top choices. After a lot of research and taste testing, here are our top 10 best pizza chains across the US. Not only is this takeaway pizza delicious, but it is great value for the money too. Their sauces are delicious, and they also sell things such as wings and sandwiches. While their menu is not huge, they have a good range of toppings, pizza styles, and meat-free options. Overall, they are a pizza chain that you can rely on to serve fresh and tasty pizza every time without having to wait too long. Domino's. When it comes to takeaway pizza, Domino's Pizza is arguably the best of the best, and it's easy to see why. They consistently release interesting new toppings, and their pizzas are great value for the money. They sell a wide range of food, including sandwiches and chocolate lava cakes. California Pizza Kitchen. In at number 3, we have California Pizza Kitchen. They came up with the idea of a barbecue pizza, and this took the world by storm. While their pizzas are delicious and wood-fired, they provide other options such as salads and power bowls too. CC Pizza. If you are looking for an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet, look no further than CC's Pizza. It is one of the best in the United States. They sell a delicious macaroni and cheese pizza, and there are many options to choose from, including salads and pasta too. Little Caesars. If you are looking for tasty pizza at a low cost, Little Caesars is the option for you. You cannot go wrong with their pizzas. They are served quickly, and they are tasty too. They are known for including a lot of pizza toppings, which is just what you want when ordering a pizza. Papa Murphy's. Papa Murphy's menu focuses specifically on pizza, and they are a popular choice. What makes them stand out from their competitors is their take-and-bake style of serving pizzas. The customer chooses the pizza they want and then bakes it at home. Sbarro. Sbarro was the company that created the extra-large New York pizza. Their pizzas are pie-styled, though they do offer thin crusts and stromboli too. They first opened in 1956 and have over 600 different restaurants across the U.S. Round Table Pizza. Round Table pizzas are created using deliciously fresh dough. They have a variety of different flavor and topping options, including the street taco pizza. They are a popular choice with families, as many of their chains feature entertainment sections for the kids and craft beer for the parents. Mellow Mushroom. When it comes to pizza crusts, it does not get much better than Mellow Mushroom. If you haven't tried them, do yourself a favor and give them a go. They offer a variety of pizza topping options and also sell craft beer, sandwiches, and salads too. These pizza chains across America are favored for their delicious pizza, dedication to their craft, and customer service. Which one is your favorite American pizza chain? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Restaurant Clicks for more drool-worthy content.